Looking for the best smartphone under Rs 30000 in 2025? Whether you're a gamer, a camera enthusiast, or just want a reliable daily driver, I've got you covered. Today, I'll break down the top 10 phones on Amazon that deliver serious value for your money. Let's dive right in. So, why is the Rs 30000 segment so exciting in India? This is where you get flagship-level features without burning a hole in your pocket. Brands are packing the best cameras, displays, and performance, making it a sweet spot for smart shoppers like you and me. First up, the iQOO Neo 7. Dimensity 8200 chip, 120Hz AMOLED display, super fast 120W charging. If you love smooth gameplay and quick top-ups, this is your pick. Best for gaming. Next, the OnePlus Nord CE 4. It boasts a Snapdragon 7 Gen 3, a vibrant AMOLED screen, and 100W fast charging. A balanced all-rounder with that signature OnePlus feel. At number 3, the Samsung A34. Here's your go-to for reliability and software updates. It features a Super AMOLED display, strong battery life, and Samsung's clean UI. Perfect for everyday users. Fourth, the Realme Narzo 70 Pro, 90Hz AMOLED 67W charging and a sharp 50MP camera. Ideal for students who want features for less. Fifth, the Motorola Edge 40 Neo. It stands out with a curved POLD display, clean Android, and 68W turbo power charging. Love premium feel and near stock? Check this out. Next, the POCO F5. It's built for speed, Snapdragon 7 plus Gen 2, 120Hz AMOLED, and 67W charging. Gamers and performance lovers, this one's for you. Seventh, the Vivo V29e. This is the camera king under Rs 30K with a 64MP OIS camera and stunning design. If selfies and portraits matter most, you'll love this. Best camera pick. Number 8, the iQOO Z9 Pro. It offers 5G, a 120Hz display, and a big battery. Great for power users who want future-proofing. Ninth, the Nothing Phone 2A. Stand out with its unique design, clean OS, and smooth performance. If you want something different, this is it. And finally, the OnePlus Nord 3. It brings flagship performance with Dimensity 9000, a 120Hz AMOLED, and 80W charging. A true all-rounder and my top pick for most people. Best overall. Quick comparison time. Best for gaming? That's the iQOO Neo 7, POCO F5. Best for cameras? Vivo V29e takes the crown. Best overall? OnePlus Nord 3 nails the balance between power, camera, and design. So, which one's your favorite? Drop your pick in the comments. Check out the links in the description. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest tech reviews. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.